Hi, Tracy here with Paper Closet Designs and the Idea Closet. Welcome back to my studio. I have another little video. I want to show you how easy it is to make these little tags. They have a little box. I put mine in a cellophane bag and then tied it with some twine. And they make great little gifts. But let me show you what's in here. If I can get the bag open. So it has this little box, and then there's a bunch of little tags inside, and you can make as many tags as you want. So I've got some that have the printed to and from on there, to from little heart, to from with a star, another to from with a star. Just lots of ideas. And then there's a Christmas tree, candy cane, says Happy Holidays, one that says Merry Christmas. So these little pieces right here are just scraps that I used from the paper that I had left over cutting out my cards and my boxes. There's not an actual file piece for this. You just use whatever you've got left over. Another little heart that says Merry Christmas. These are probably my favorite, is the little Santa socks. I love these little stockings. And there's just so many things that you can do with these. So I want to show you today how to assemble, or excuse me, how to do a print and cut with your different machines so that you can create these tags. Let's go ahead and get started. One of the things that I love about the Cricut is how easy it is to take a PNG file and turn it into a print then cut file. Super, super easy. So I have my Christmas tag and box opened up already on my canvas. This is the box. For this particular one, I'm using the perforation marks, but there's also a file with score marks, so whichever one you prefer is fine. And we're actually going to use this tag, but we're going to make the print then cut tag. So all I'm going to do is come over here to my left hand side where my tools are, and I'm going to click upload. And it's going to bring me to an upload image, or an upload window. So I'm going to click upload image. And then you can either hit browse or you can do drag and drop. So I already have the file opened. It's the Christmas tag and box. And since we're working in Cricut, we're going to open the Design Space file. And then we're going to open the PNG file. And there are all of my tags. So let's go ahead and click on this Merry Christmas one. And we're just going to drag it over to our screen and drop it. And it shows up right there. There's our tag with our little print and cut on it. Now, because this is a simple, you could, under select image type, just hit simple. I kind of get in the habit of doing complex. I just do. So we're going to hit continue. And it's going to bring it in. There's my tag. Because it's a PNG, the background is transparent. So I don't have to do anything with it. I can just hit continue. Now I have two options here. I can save it as a cut image, but I don't need to do that because I've already got the cut image in the original file. So I'm going to make sure that the save as print then cut image is selected. You know that it is because it has the green box around it. I'm going to come over here and name it. It says Merry Christmas. I'm going to add the word tag. And then under tags, you could put print then cut. I always tag them with the company that I purchased from. So this was Paper Closet Designs. That way it's just easier when I start looking for it to know what it is. Hit save. And there is my tag. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it to select it. Come over here to insert image. It's going to take it just a minute. It always does. And now, because I did those under the design Space folder, it is already resized for my tag. So you can see that it fits in there just right. So if we wanted to print this, let's, just for the sake of argument, let's go ahead and hide this. I'm going to come over here and just hide it. And now all I have showing is my tag. I'm going to come up to make it. And there is my tag. Now, because it's white and it's printed on white, you're not going to see the outline of it. You're only going to see the part that's actually going to print, which is the sentiment, the Merry Christmas. If I wanted to make multiples of these, I could come over here to Project Copies, and I could add a couple more. And it's going to put 3 of them on my mat. Then I would hit Continue. I'm not hooked up, so a whole lot's not going to happen. But the first thing I would do is I would send to printer. And then once I got hooked up to my Silhouette, or excuse me, to my Cricut, I would just follow the steps and cut it out. That's all there is to it. Super, super easy. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope if you like this video, you will click subscribe down on the bottom for more tutorials. Thank you.